Hey y'all, welcome to a big grocery haul. Haven't done one in a while, right? We went to Walmart and Dollar General and we bought a lot of stuff. And we're gonna show everything to you. Courtney's over here eating some candy. So, yeah. We're gonna turn you around and show you what.
As you can see all these groceries in the back, I'm going to show you what all of this is.
Okay, let's get started.
I'm going to finish chewing my candy. We have a couple like non-food items in a couple places. We're going to start right here. We got these little like big crystal like pins for my best friend. Her birthday's coming up and I got the same ones and she really likes them. So we decided to get her
We
some.
got those at Dollar General.
And at Dollar General too, this is the 3-pack of Carmex chapsticks. Oh yeah. Then we bought, these are what I was eating, just a different kind. We bought 4 of these, 2 of these Ooze Chews, and
They're only 2 for $1
2
at
for
Dollar
$1,
General.
and then this. These were the other 2 we got. There's like little worms. Okay. Moving on, we got some Dollar General disinfectant wipes for the car. Then we got 2 of these like
Renewzits. Because, oh, the boys' room always stinks, so.
We have these little small kitchen hooks and these removable picture strips. Now we're gonna start here, guys. We have some cookies and cream Pop-Tarts. If you couldn't see that. We have some pastaroni, shells, and white cheddar. Then we got some shells and cheese. And then also from Dollar General, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Of the Gatorade, because my husband, he always takes these with him when he's on the in the truck.
3 red and 7 orange.
Yep.
Then we got some flour tortillas.
An 18 count of eggs.
18 count of eggs. We got some cinnamon rolls, the 2-pack. These ones. Pancake and sausage. Use the blueberries on a stick.
Adrian loves those.
Some Velveeta slices. Don't worry about it, already chowed down on these.
Yeah, that was Courtney's.
And then for my brother, we got some Airheads. And this for my backpack, some Mentos gum. Me and Mom already tried them, they're really good. And I got this, I just was feeling something, I was wanting a drink, I didn't want soda though, so I got me a Simply Lemonade. This is just with raspberry. I've never tried it, it's actually really good. Then we got some oats from Dollar General. And here's another non-food item. It's the over-the-door non-slip hook organizer. So we'll put that over a door somewhere in our house or house.
I think it's mainly for the boys' room, maybe. I don't know.
We have some cheddar cheese, medium cheddar, and some mozzarella. Then we got this household organizer. It's the deluxe one that goes on the back of your door.
Yes, be on the lookout because I'm going to do a pantry video. I'm redoing my pantry, so that'll be coming out next week.
We got this 16-cup storage.
This week.
This 16-cup storage dispenser. We're going to use this for cereal. And then back here we have a 2-pack, and this holds 24 in each. So
and I may end up getting more. I just started out with 2 big ones and 1 of these.
We got some Anytizers chicken fries. We really like eating those on a day when we don't want to cook. Now we have some Captain Crunch berries with berries and Fruity Pebbles because a lot of people in our house like the Fruity Pebbles.
This was from Sally's. This is what I use to wash my for my hair.
It's the BioTerra. It's just for your color care. And we got shampoo and conditioner for Mom. That's shampoo and conditioner from here. We got some Special K. Mom likes getting these. This is the 36, and it has 3 different flavors: brown sugar cinnamon, strawberry, and
favorite
blueberry.
is the brown sugar cinnamon, but I thought I would change it up.
Mom tried it. She got these caramel ones one time. I really liked those.
They were actually a cafe latte or something.
Cafe
yeah.
latte. Then we got some Little Hug fruit barrels because
we're all over the place, y'all. Sorry,
guys. Now we got some street tacos.
I love those. Let me get around here where I can show y'all. Sorry.
Then we have these casserole beans. These are pinto beans. Then we decided to find these. We've never saw these before.
Me and Courtney got these.
This one is the blue fruit and vegetable smoothie. And this one is the red fruit smoothie. So you just make these, and these weren't very expensive either. Wait. Then we have some blueberries and strawberries.
And then we also got these.
Berry medley frozen and the mixed fruit frozen. Oh, and bananas. Then these are on sale. These are like the cord bites. They're to protect your cables. Mama got this one. It has a cow in the
Look,
forest.
y'all, it has a cow. try to get it to focus. Look at that.
It's so cute. And I just got a monster one.
Yep.
They're really cute. And they were on sale for what, like $1?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty sure. Then we got some tissue paper for my best friend's birthday. We got these little stencils, and they come with the little folder. And then this birthday card that says we're like...
Her friend's birthday is actually on Valentine's Day, her best friend.
Oh.
So she got her some chocolate.
We got some Russell Stoven assorted.
And I'm almost thinking about getting me one of these. Courtney got one, and now she's getting, it's a bullet journal. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to try to get it to focus. It's got the little dots. You can do like
it's
the bullet
really
journal.
cool
It was
because
only
you can do designs. I watch a lot of YouTube videos on how to do like cute little things. I actually was bullet journaling last night.
$2.74, y'all. And we got a couple of bags for some gifts.
Yep, pink and red. Ugh.
Already showed that.
We have some air fried. These are the chicken breast nuggets.
I think it was Haley from, what is her channel called now? Home with Haley? It used to be the Cooper fam. Yeah. I've seen her cook these a few times, and I wanted to try them.
And they're 75% less fat.
Mm-hmm.
These are some dinner yeast rolls.
I've seen a lot of people use these or cook these, and I wanted to try them. Sister Schubert's.
Yeah. Then we got some Kellogg's Eggo homestyle waffles. You can just pop in your toaster. Got some chicken breast tenderloins from, this is the 3-pound. And then we got some Hot Pockets. These are ham and cheddar ones, and they're the croissant crust. We like those a lot. Mm-hmm. Then we have some Ozarka water.
I wanted to get a case. My husband, for some reason, likes Ozarka water, 12, and I could only find a 12-pack.
Then we have some buttermilk Hidden Valley Ranch, because last time we got, what, the original ranch?
It was homestyle.
Homestyle. We didn't
it's
really
okay,
like
but yeah.
We got some cherry cheese danishes from Hostess. Okay, down here.
Non-food stuff again.
Some more non-food. We have a big multi-purpose, like it's flexible lighter.
Yeah. So I can use it with the grill or candles.
Anything you want. I found this, I've been seeing a lot of people use this. It's by the Love Beauty and Planet. And I've never actually saw this one, though it is charcoal and bergamot, and it's for a delightful detox.
What is it? Oh,
charcoal and bergamot. So isn't it like what is bergamot again?
I have no idea.
I don't know. Then we have just some children's gummies. We found these on sale too.
What did we pay for this one? Like $2?
$2. This is kiwi. It
smells good, y'all.
So good. It's with manakuka honey. Smell.
Yeah, I can smell it. And y'all, okay, and then we also, Courtney wanted this, some kind of lotion.
It's by the same exact brand, but this is a Nourishing Day lotion. Oh, and it even has sunscreen with it. I never even knew that. And it's the same exact scent as that.
Oh, cool. I may have to try that one day.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all, and then, look at this. $2 for this native body wash. I've got cucumber and mint. And powder and cotton.
Kristen Casper talks about their deodorant, and they pay so much for that.
I think, well, I don't know. It's a little bit expensive to me,
it's
but
not so
these
much,
were
though. These were $2 for this big bottle. That's not very bad.
Yeah.
Now we have some Jolly Rancher lollipops because Adrian's Valentine's party is coming
little
up.
Valentine's. Oh,
and we got some Goof Off. This is like Pro Strength Remover. It's a like cleaner.
My husband needed it to try to finish getting the stickers off of his semi. We're putting new ones, and there was still goo left.
So this is Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese. Then we have some Velveeta skillet. This is the Nacho Supreme.
It was funny. My son said, "Mom, why don't you ever make Hamburger Helper anymore?" And so I seen that, and I thought, okay, that'll be a quick.
She really does it anymore. We used to do it like almost like 2 times a week, I'm pretty sure, right?
Because now I try to cook like better food.
We got some Little Debbie honey buns.
And is that it?
Am I correct? Are we done?
I think we are, Kiki.
I think we are, yeah. I think we are, yeah.
We will have the total of what we spent from Walmart and from Dollar General.
I'm excited to use a lot of these bath products.
Yes. So
I was gonna from the Love Beauty and Planet. I was trying to find the same scent and shampoo. I could not find it, and I didn't really want 2 different scents, so I just got the conditioner. I'll probably just find a simple shampoo to use with this.
Well, thank y'all so much for watching, and be on the lookout. We'll have that pantry makeover reorganization video coming up, and yeah.
Y'all have a great day, and make sure if you enjoyed this to subscribe and like it, and so you don't miss another video, click that bell.
Thank y'all.
Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.